energy can never be created or destroyed. It can just be turned from one type of energy to another. So that means we can't make any more energy than is already in the world, and we also can't get rid of it. So people, we eat food to give us our energy, and we call that kind of energy chemical energy. Now while I sit here, and while you're sitting watching this video, you're turning that chemical energy into all sorts of different types of energy. So inside your body, lots of things are moving. Your lungs are moving on their own, and your digestive system is moving on its own. That's called kinetic energy. That's when anything is moving. It's kinetic energy. Your body is also making a little bit of heat to keep you nice and warm. So you're making heat energy. I'm making sound energy because I'm talking. I'm also making movement energy when I move my mouth. So if I didn't eat enough food, I wouldn't have any energy and I wouldn't be able to do all those different things.